Among other things, the government's flagship program, the One District, One Factory, is to create jobs and wealth. The new factories are to be sited in specific areas, taking into consideration the available raw material deposits of the location. At Kasapin in the Esunafo North municipality of Bunahafo, work has started on an ultra-modern manufacturing company worth almost 4 million Ghana cedis and expected to employ about 3,000 people.
The multi-purpose factory to be built at Kasapin brings to 2 the number of factories to be established in the Esunafo North municipality under the One District, One Factory initiative. The proposed factory to be sited on a 40-acre land would be operating 4 departments. The food processing department will be producing about 38 varieties of processed food items. The kitchen utensils department for the production of kitchen consumables. The cosmetics department for the production of body lotions and household disinfectants, while another department produces organic raw materials. The spearheader of the factory is a natural food processor, Mr. Jonathan Hammond.
Having had my training from the United States, I decided to come down to do this just to help pay my quota to my alma mater, and then also to help build Ghana, as Nana Akufo-Addo, His Excellency, is trying to work on the transformational agenda of Ghana.
The regional director of the Ministry of Trade and Industry, Mr. Prince Hammond, said the move would boost the local economy and reduce unemployment.
The program is critical to the development of our country, since it seeks to create massive employment, particularly for the teeny youth in rural and urban communities, thereby improving income levels and livelihoods whilst reducing rural-urban migration.
The Achimpingini of Mim traditional area, Nana Efiepenyin Ejapon and Tra, commended the government for the initiative to diversify production across the country. As government creates the enabling environment for others or directly invest in projects, it throws up new jobs in rural areas to enhance livelihoods. The construction of the factory at Kasapin is scheduled for completion by August 2019. Farmers in the Esunafo North district are to be connected with the factory.